Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of April 25th through May 1st in my Recollections vertical planner. This side is starting to get a little fat. I'm going to have to start folding it differently pretty soon. But in the meantime, I am using this kit from Vintage Glam this week. It's called Love is in the Air. The 28th is my anniversary, mine and my husband's. So I wanted to use kind of a lovey-dovey kit, but one that's not too Valentine's or too wedding. Our colors were actually navy and red. So these colors are kind of like the soft pastel version of that as well. So I thought that would be perfect. I do have a few things I'm going to need to add to this because there's not quite enough of everything that I'm going to need. The biggest one is washi. I did pull these really skinny ones from Amazon. I don't know if I'm going to use any of them. None of them are perfect matches, but I pulled them just in case I need it. I also pulled this one from Amazon, and this one I think is also from Amazon actually. These are going to be some of my headers. They're too wide, but I'm going to use them in the middle section where the full boxes can cover them up. I also pulled this one, which is from AliExpress, and then these two that are from Michaels. I think I'm going to use this pair as my bottom washi. I think that's going to be really cute. Hopefully the lines don't show through the blue one because I'm going to be too lazy to remove all of them. But so my plan is to use these as my bottom washi. I'm going to use today's and to-dos alternating along the top. I'm going to do the today first, which leaves me one left over to do. I'm going to do those first along the top. Then I'm going to do this pink polka dot through the middle. And then I'm going to alternate the little things and this like darker turquoise / teal washi along this bottom set. And then I'm going to stick down the weekend banner. So I'm going to do that stuff, and then we can come back and do all the interesting bits. Okay, so here is where we are right now. I think it's looking pretty cute, and I think it's going to come together once we get going. So we have these 8 boxes. I kind of think that I want to use the little like couples at the center. So I'm going to use this couple, which looks the most like my husband and I, here in the center. And then this couple that looks less like us, but is still super cute. I'm going to stick here. All right. Then I think I want to use maybe 2 of these guys. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to stick it on this page. And then this one I think is the one that most goes with it. On this page. I feel like this one is too tall. All right, I'm just going to trim a little off the bottom. So that it can end up the right height. I don't know why this box is taller than it should be. There, that looks better. Now I kind of want to use these 2 more bright ones. I think I'm going to stick the flowers next to these hearts, even though they kind of look the same. Because then it's not, at least it's not like hearts the same hearts on both. I don't know. I'm going to stick this one here. I'm not sure that's the right order, but I think it's going to be fine. And then I think I'm going to stick this heart. I like turn the paper upside down so you guys can't see anything. I'm trying to like pull everything apart. I'm going to stick this one here. And I'm going to take this guy and stick this one on Sunday. That one's also too tall. This one I'm going to trim a little off the top because then I don't have to peel the whole thing back off again. There. All right. I think that gets us there. A little bit of a struggle, but we're moving along. For the sidebar, I'm going to start out with a line of this teal washi because I kind of feel like I need to bring in more of this color because it is in the full boxes and everything. It's just not as saturated there. So I kind of feel like I need something. And then I'm going to put this to do right there. And then I also have in my leftovers, I pulled some things. This is a leftover from, I don't remember. Nicole Kelly Creations, I think. These are always too wide for reasons that I don't understand. So I'm going to trim off the edges to make this habit tracker. There we go. Stick in a habit tracker there. Then I feel like I need something to kind of like divide this up a little bit. So I'm going to stick in this like wide washi that I used in the bottom washi. There we go. I'm trying to decide if I want to use this important header for my what's going to become my meal log situation. Actually, you know what? There's this little meal guy right here included in the kit. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to use the bottom washi. I'm going to try to cut a piece that is the right length. That should be close enough, I think. Yeah. And then I'm going to center this guy on the washi. And then stick that. There we go. And then I'm going to stick this down to go with it. That's going to cover my meals for those days. And then I still have some space left. So I'm going to take a row of this washi, which I didn't use in the bottom. And also a row, I think this one will fit as well. I'm gonna overlap a little, but I think that'll be fine. And a row of this washi. All right, there we go. I think that's gonna work for my sidebar. I'll probably stick like Monday, like MTW, whatever, down so that I remember, but it's gonna be fine. For the daily plans, not a lot going on this week. We have work. So I'm just gonna stick this guy in. Maybe this one. For Tuesday, Which one should I use? Maybe I'll use this one. Tuesday, I'm going to mark a little different because I have a work lunch, so I have 2 things to mark to go with work. So I'm going to use this flag right here. I think that's all I have for this half of the week. And then for this half, I'm going to stick down these last 2 little dots to mark work. Ooh, I forgot something on this half. I knew I was going to. On Monday, I am going to post my plan with me. I think I'm going to use one of these guys to mark that. There we go. Mark my plan with me. And then on Thursday, I think I'm going to push the work thing down to here. And I'm going to use this little present circle that also came from the kit. I'm going to stick that up here. That's going to be for marking our anniversary. And then on here, on Friday, we're going to post another video. I think it's going to be my May Book Bujo setup, but you'll know if you're interested. You can just look on my channel because it'll already be posted by the time you see this video. Saturday and Sunday, I got nothing. We don't even know what the weather is going to be. So I'm just going to leave it as this, which is like super basic and not a lot going on. But I think that's where I can safely say we can pre-plan at this point. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It's super cute for sure. I have a couple of things left from the kit from Vintage Glam. I have a box and a few little like circle icons, and that's really it. So I'm going to throw those in my leftovers. And if I don't mention it, it came from that kit. The bottom washi, this one's from Michaels, as is this one. This one's from AliExpress. This dots, as well as this dark turquoise, are from Amazon, and the super skinny one is also from Amazon. This is a leftover from Nicole Kelly Creations. This is a leftover from Planner One Love. This is a leftover from My Planner Life UK. This is a Piper Paper Company icon. I do have a code down below. I'm not sure if it's going to keep working, but as of when I last checked, it still works. So know that that's down there if you want it, but no pressure. This is a leftover from Plannerology Studio. This is from Chasing Chels. And then this is a leftover, I'm not sure from where, possibly from my shop, so a very old one there. But that's all I really have. It was a pretty good weekend. I played my oboe again for the first time since probably 2017. We spent Saturday in Buffalo, and we spent Sunday going to the zoo and eating and all that good stuff locally. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what you have planned for May as well as what you did in April. I always love to hear about what's going on there. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. I also tell you bits and pieces about what I'm reading and what's going on in my life and things like that. And until next time.